Okay. An Otto cycle operates on 0.1 pounds of air from 13 psi and 130 degrees Fahrenheit at the beginning of the compression. Eh, pag mga ganitong problem, the best way for you to answer this is to draw yung diagram. Okay? Mas prefer ko yun. So, i-drawing natin yung diagram niya. The PV diagram. PV diagram. Okay? Kung pasensya nyo na yung drawing ko, hindi talaga nagiging pantay. Okay? Ito, gamitin natin. Okay. So, you have point 1 here. You have point 2 here. And 3, 4. So, going from point 1 to point 2, that is isentropic compression. Okay. Nag-i-snap siya. Okay. From 2 to 3, that is constant volume heat addition. From point 3 to 4, that is expansion, isentropic. And then, from 4 to 1, that is constant volume, isometric heat rejection. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ano bang hinahanap niya dito? The efficiency and work produced per cycle. So, if this is the type ng question pagdating ng board exam, might be, merong mga numbers na succeeding this. So, tingnan natin. Pwedeng itong number na to, isang number, isang hinahanap. Tapos, clustered na yan. Sunod-sunod yung paghahanap ng mga value. Dito, ang hinahanap lang naman yung efficiency tsaka yung work produced per cycle. Pwedeng hanapin dito yung heat reject, MEP or the mean effective pressure, pwede rin hanapin dito yung QR. Eh, marami kang pwedeng hanapin sa isang problem about combustion cycle. So, ang hinahanap lang natin dito ay yung efficiency niya and the work produced per cycle. So, work net. E and work net. Eh, pwede dito, i-label mo agad yung point 1. Eh, ano ba yung point 1 mo dito? Point 1. Ay, point 1. Ang given sa point 1 is 13 psia T1. Tapos T1 is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So, add ka na ng 460 dyan para laging absolute. Okay? 460 bale mga 590 degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit. Beginning of compression. So, point 1 talaga yon. And then, the temperature at the end of the combustion, kailan ba nagkakaroon ng heat addition? So, pag sinabing end of combustion, maximum temperature of combustion, that is dito sa point 3. Okay. Compression ratio na ibinigay sa iyo is RK, or that is the compression ratio or the ratio of the maximum volume to the minimum volume. So that is V1 over V2. So that is 5.5. Okay? Pwede ko na agad makuha dito yung kanyang efficiency. Okay? Dito pa lang sa RK. Kasi ang efficiency mo is equal to 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1. Check. Okay na. Solve ko na yung isa. So, work produced per cycle, pwede rin equate mo ito sa work net over QA. If you have the QA, ano bang formula ng QA? Ang formula ng QA mo is mass times the specific heat at constant volume dun sa heat addition. So, that is the process at, so yan, QA mo. Process mo ng 3 and 2. So, temperature at 3 minus temperature at 2. Pero missing yung 2. Yun na isi-solve natin yun. So, using yung isentropic relationships. So, T2 divided by T1 equal to V1 over V2 raised to k minus 1. But V1 and V2, yung ratio between the two is called decompression ratio. So, pwede ko palang mahanap na kagad dito sa part na ito. Okay? So, T2 is equal to T1 multiplied to RK raised to K minus 1. Nating mahanap dyan. So, K is 1.3. So, T1 is 590 degrees runtime multiplied to RK na 5.5 raised to 1.3 minus 1. So, ano yung temperature dito? Okay. So, that is 590 multiplied to 5.5 raised to 1.3 minus 1, that is 0.3. Slightly higher, so that is 983 point, okay, 9223. 9223 degrees runtime. Okay? So, mahanap ko na si QA. Okay. QA is equal to, yung mass na ibinigay sa is 0.1 pound per second. 0.1 pound every second. Eh, problema, hindi mo kabisado yung CV ng air sa English. Okay. Yung CV ng air, pagdating ng English is 0.171 pound, BTU per pound degree runtime. Ang CP naman ng air, that is 0.24 BTU per pound degree runtime. I-solve natin yan. So that is 0.171 BTU per pound degree runtime. Tapos T3 is 5,000 minus 983.9223 degrees sa labas yan, runtime. So, cancel mo yung same units. Si runtime. This will be BTU every second. Okay? Ilang HP ba yun? Yung BTU per second. Okay, you have 550 BTU per second in 1 HP. Okay? Yun yung conversion niya. Hindi nyo naman kailangan kabisaduhin because that is the basic. Okay? 550 kapag per minute, that is 33,000 foot-pound per minute into HP. Okay? Yun lang kinakabisado ko. Pwede rin namang 42.4. Okay? So that is para safe sa inyo. Okay? So kung nahihirapan kayo dyan, pwedeng i-change nyo muna yung BTU. Okay? To kilojoule. I-divide nyo lang naman yun or multiply nyo lang ng 1.055 para maging kilowatts. Diba? Ang daming paraan para masolve nyo siya. Okay, kung ganun yung naisip nyo, then let us do that. Okay? Kung nahihirapan kayo, kasi ang daming conversion dyan eh. So, ganito na lang. I-change natin siya dun sa alam yung way. Mara yung alam yung way, yung 1 BTU. Every 1.055 kilojoules. O di kilojoule every second, magiging kilowatt. Okay? Diba? So, ganito. 1 kilowatt every 1 kilojoule every second. Mahaba nga lang talaga kung di mo alam yung direkta. But that would suffice. Tapos, i-multiply mo na lang ng 1 HP every 0.746 kilowatt. O, di nakuha mo pa rin. Yun yung tip ko dyan. Kapag hindi mo alam yung conversion, do it the most conventional way na madali para sa'yo. Kung ano yung kabisado mo. Huwag mong ipilit sarili mong kabisaduhin yung mahirap kabisaduhin para sa'yo. So, cancel natin yung same unit, si BTU, kilojoule every second. Kilojoule every second. Kilowatt, kilowatt. So at least nag-arrive ka pa rin sa HP. Hindi yan different. Yun din ang process yan. Mahaba nga. So let us calculate. Okay? So that is 0.1. Multiply natin 0.171. Multiplied to 5,000 minus 983.9223. Then multiply mo ng 1.055 para maging kilojoule. And then divide it with 0.746 para maging HP. So that is QA pa lang to ha. 97. 0.1207. 1207 HP. Okay, so let us solve na yung kanyang efficiency gamit yung ating RK. So the efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 divided by yung RK na 5.5 raised to 1.3 minus 1. Then let us calculate yung value na yun. Okay, so the value is 1 minus 1 divided by 5.5 raised to 1.3 minus 1. So, ang efficiency niya dyan is, kunin mo lang yung 5 decimal number niya. So, 0.4004. Pwede na to. Yun ang efficiency niya. And for your work net, gamitin mo na rin yung efficiency mo. So, efficiency is equal to work net divided by QA. Therefore, yung work net mo is equal to E QA. Yung E is 0.400359. Huwag mo na munang i-round off yun na una and then multiply with yung given dyan na QA. So that is 97.1207 HP. Multiply na lang natin. Okay? So that is 0.400359 multiplied to 97.1207. So that is 38.88. 38.88 HP. Basic lang yung mga ganyang problems. Okay?